If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits, putting on the Ritz? Different types who wear a day coat, pants with stripes, and cutaway coat, perfect fits, putting on the Ritz. Dressed up like a $1,000,000 trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. A super duper, come let's mix, where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas in their mitts, putting on the Ritz.
Hello, I'm Bridget Jones, the Artistic Director for Miss Bridget's Conservatoire of Dance. Miss Bridget's Conservatoire of Dance engages in the development of dancers through instruction and exposure to the performing arts. We offer quality and consistent instruction to children at least 3 years of age and adults at affordable prices. MBCD's dance training allows students to experience various types and styles of dance. The emphasis throughout our instruction is to build a strong body, develop a dedicated work ethic, and to ultimately learn that these efforts lead to success.
$1,000 trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Super duper.
Our instructors have years of experience as dancers, performers, choreographers, and of course, as professional cheerleaders. We utilize a best practice approach to engage students in a curriculum designed to foster poise, presence, and posture. I think that you'll find that just after 1 year of dance instruction with MBCD, that our students have enhanced technique and greater confidence.